kill you. Eh? You want to try me? It's your turn. Get up!
Mama okay? Mama okay? Mama okay?
Ogini!
Mama okay? You have to follow me right now. Follow me right now. Follow me right now. Right now. Right now. Follow me right now.
What is it?
Hey! What is happening? Mama okay?
Eh?
Follow me right now. Your son is fighting. If he does not kill somebody, Mama okay? Somebody will kill him.
What is it? What is happening?
They are fighting.
Fighting?
Yes.
Please, where are they fighting?
Mama okay? They are the path to the stream. Now.
Where's the other one? Yeah? Get up and fight me! Get up and fight me! Get up and Leave me, Mama!
If you want to kill somebody, okay, you go kill me.
Leave me, let me kill
your mother. If
kill
you're
this guy.
looking for who to kill me, okay, you come here for you to kill me. Okay, you could kill me. If you
Now who called you here? Who called you?
Hey! Okay, Chuku.
Oh!
Okay, Chuku. Okay, Chuku. Okay, Chuku. Okay, Chuku.
Leave me, leave me.
Okay, Chuku.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, give it.
I'm done with it.
Well, let's go home.
Let me carry myself.
Let's go home.
Let me carry myself.
I got it. Noran, I got Kobo. Sit down now. Noran. Yes, you beat me. What is wrong with you? So if I didn't come there, you'd have hit that boy with that weapon.
Of course, I would have killed him.
You say maybe cookie.
Eh?
You say maybe cookie, man.
After today, he should go and give Thanksgiving.
What is it? Even when it was obvious the boy was already dying, you were still dragging him like that. Do you want to kill him?
After enduring that one, he should go for Thanksgiving because his God has saved him. People come out people today. I would have killed him today.
He said maybe cookie. He said maybe cookie. He said maybe cookie. What's wrong with you?
Talking.
When it was obvious the boy was dead, you were still dragging and hitting him like that. You should be mad.
Of course, I would have killed him.
Okay, Chuku. Chuku did this thing. You are my only child.
Ma, please, leave me alone.
Ha! Okay, Chuku, what do you know you are only son? She's tormenting my life like this. Ha! Okay. I'm a major. Oh, okay, you stop here. Stop fire.
That's a bloody fool. Listen. You are asking me as if you don't know what to do. Get up, arrested. You are asking me as if you don't know what to do. My son is still in coma after your son battered him. I will deal with you. I will make sure he rots in jail. For what your son is on. He beat my son to sleep.
Your son is still in coma.
He will not come back again.
No fighting.
He will not.
Young man, I'm doing this because of your mother and your uncle. The next time your case is brought to this station, I'll make sure you are charged to court. so you can face the penalty. After all, you are not the only youth in this village.
I wonder.
Why do you want to make this your mother cry all the time? You make life unbearable for her. Listen, young man, the next time you try this nonsense, I'll make sure I send you to prison.
DPO, thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir.
You are still with my clothes.
My friend, go to the counter and pick up your clothes.
Of your son, you have to warn him. I am tired. See. Okay, I am tired of you.
Okay, Chuku. I am tired. I am tired of all these things happening. I don't know what else to do to you. I don't know.
Okay, Chuku, listen to me. Any other time, your stubbornness takes you to any police station. You see my 2 legs. I will not use it to go there to bail you. If you like, comport yourself. If you like, continue to misbehave. If you see me, come there to bail you, then call me a useless man.
The DPO has said everything. If he continues fighting and killing everybody, he will come here and they'll take him to court. And from court, he will go to prison. If you don't like the life you're living outside, be free. Continue.
As if I'm the one looking for their trouble. Are they not the one always looking for my trouble?
I am the one looking for their trouble.
You have the mouth to talk back at us.
Only try my problem. Come for my own. Anytime they look for my trouble, I know they waste time, please.
Okay, Chuku. When they look for your trouble, tell them you don't have trouble for them.
They come, let us go. When that time comes, I will not even bring food again. I won't come. He will see me.
Let's go.
Okay, Chuku. If they look for your trouble, tell them you don't have trouble for them.
Love, happiness, that should be what we are looking for. Love, happiness. Remember, greedy is part of hate. Money's not everything. My happiness is what I want. It's what I want. Money's not everything. Money's not my happiness. Is what I want.
Greetings, my friends.
Where is she?
At the backyard.
Well, tell her that Prince Afamifuna is here to see her. And I'm waiting here at the outer box. I'm Charlie.
Hi, Prince.
What do you think?
Well, you said we should come, but what I think is that we should have just take things a little bit.
Have you ever been in love?
I don't know how it's like. I don't know how.
Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love, my body they shake you. He gave away, he's a local boy. He gave me a for the beer, he's a low life boy. He gave away, he's a local boy.
Greetings, my princess.
What is it?
An important visitor is here to see you.
Prince Afam?
Yes, my princess.
Tell him I'll be with him in an hour.
My princess, that's a long time to keep a man waiting.
Very well then. Tell him I'll be with him when I'm done with what I'm doing.
This sounds better.
Is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love. My body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love. My body they shake you. He's a local boy. He's a low life boy. He's a local boy. He's a low life boy. Love is greater than words because he's blind. I fall in love for real because he's my child. I don't wanna know what the people are saying. Don't wanna learn. I don't wanna care. All I want is love. Love goes straight to my heart. Papa when he went. Papa when he went. Go straight to my heart. Papa when he went. Papa when he went. Go straight to my love. Papa when he went. Papa when he went.
Oh, my princess.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Sorry I kept you waiting.
Of course, you know I do not mind. I could wait for ages for you. You're what's waiting for my princess.
Thank you. I need to go take a shower.
Well, I'm all yours, my princess.
You should come inside.
Nah, I think I prefer it here with a fine bottle of wine.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Very well then. Suit yourself.
Yes, and I'll be waiting.
Excuse me.
What we be shall be. What we be must be. Makachuku Dechebania. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will
Yes,
stand for you.
yes, I'm fine. She went in to take a bath.
Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love.
My prince.
Charlie?
She's taking too long.
Well, I'm not complaining.
I know you are not, but come to think of it, it's unfair to keep a prince like you waiting for too long. It's a slap on your identity. I'm of the opinion that we go and come back. Don't you think so? Or maybe she's not even in the right mood to see you for now.
Well, Charlie, I'll rather wait here for ages than to be out there. That's what you do when you're in love. Don't you think so?
You're welcome, my prince. Whatever you say goes.
Good. Pour me some wine, Charlie.
Yes, my prince.
Your Highness, the princess is sleeping and might not be awake till night.
Preposterous.
You know she had a long section today and she's exhausted.
Well, you tell her I waited for about 3 hours. before you give me that information.
Sure, I will, my prince.
I'll be back in the early hours of the day after tomorrow. Let her know that.
Okay, my prince, I'll pass your message across.
Good. Charlie?
My prince.
Let's go.
Love is greater than words, because he's blind. I fall in love for real because he's my child. I don't wanna know what the people are saying. Don't wanna learn. I don't wanna care. All I want is love. Love goes straight to my heart. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. Go straight to my heart. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. Go straight to my love. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. What we be, we be. What we be, we be. If I cheat the other girl, I can only see what we be shall be. What we be must be. Makachuku de Chebania. In the time of trouble, we stand.
This meeting was scheduled for 10 a.m. and this is 2 p.m. What does that make us? My prince, you see, she has humiliated you again. And she'll continue to humiliate you if you've done something about this. My prince, I'm sorry to say this. Sometimes I feel very ashamed when I'm with you when she acts this way. I don't know how to put this, my prince. You are as reality as she is, but why must she continue to treat you like a commoner?
The maid said she fell asleep. Isn't that enough explanation for you to understand?
She can say that to the birds. She fell asleep. Please, you know better than this that this girl does not love you. And she's showing it every moment with her.
But I love her. And that's all that matters.
With all due respect, my prince, I'm not disputing that. Yes, you love her. But you can't continue in this humiliation.
Well, my love for her supersedes all these humiliations. As a matter of fact, when she continues to act like this, my love gets stronger. Charlie, do not worry. Sooner or later, I will win her love. Okay?
But my prince, this cannot continue.
Charlie!
I'm sorry, my prince.
Let me bother about that. Okay?
Your Majesty, we cannot continue to tolerate hooliganism in this community. That boy is an albatross in our neck. We can't continue to tolerate him.
Oh, Foka, be careful. Be careful, Foka. I know your son, and I know what your son has been doing in this community. If this boy we are talking about, Okechukwu were to be your son, will you bring him before the king?
The gods forbid. You know I can't give birth to such a son. I can't give birth to such a son.
Okay, Daddy.
It's okay. Anna's here.
Your Majesty.
We are a people. Our kingdom is governed by the rule of law.
I am aware of that, Your Majesty.
Okuro Adeakonye Kolea. That boy needs to be disciplined. My forefathers had a way of disciplining their subjects who flouted the rules. My father did it, and I will not be an exception. Oh. That boy needs to be disciplined.
Igwe Adio.
Igwe.
What gonna do?
Love goes straight to my heart. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. Go straight to my heart. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. Go straight to my love. Papa when he went, Papa when he went.
Sister! Hey, sister. What is it? You won't believe what I just saw now.
What did you see?
That your so-called boyfriend. I saw him fighting on the path that leads to the stream.
This early morning.
Sister, I'm telling you. Hey! I've not even seen anything. I was so ashamed of myself that I wouldn't even want anybody to know that he's my sister's boyfriend. Hi.
Anole, Okechukwu is not just my boyfriend. He is my fiancé. And very soon we'll be getting married.
Whatever, sister. Whatever. You just go and see. Just go and see what he's doing. Just go and see the kind of news that he's causing. Shameless village fighter.
Okay, you won't try me. Eh? You won't try me. What are you doing here? Eh?
Stop fighting,
Come here. Go home. Go home now. You won't try me.
Please, stop fighting.
What are you doing here?
Stop fighting.
What are you doing here? Go home. Go home now. One. Shut. You are voted. Okay. Okay. Okay, you're still there. You're still there, eh? You're still there. Okay, Papa. Idiot. Try me. Try me next time. Try me next time.
What happened? Why are you crying?
That boy is a beast. He doesn't deserve my love at all. I don't know why I love him so much.
You wouldn't stop fighting, right?
He threatened to beat me instead.
Are you serious?
Imagine someone I call my fiancé disgracing me everywhere in the streets of this village. Fighting like a tout every day, anytime, everywhere. If I try stopping him, he would threaten to beat me.
Hey.
What kind of a husband is he going to make?
Sister, marriage is not by force. If I tell you to leave him alone and face your life, you wouldn't listen to me. You see? Look at what he's putting you through.
This time it's over. It's all over, not anymore.
Only if you mean it.
I mean it this time.
Stop crying.
What are you doing here? what are you doing here? Okay, so I'm asking you, what are you doing here? After disgracing yourself out there, thinking you disgraced me. You disgraced yourself and you know it. What are you doing here? Leave my house. Leave this place right now. Give me one reason. Just give me one reason why I should stand here listening to you after what you did to me out there.
This is life, oh life. My love is now my pain, my joy is now.
Because you love me. And I love you too.
What will I do? Where will I run to? Who will I talk to? What will I do? Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love, my body they shake you. Dikeh, he's a local boy. Dikeh, he's a low life boy. He's a local boy, yeah. He's a low life boy.
What is it?
Did I say anything?
So why are you standing there looking at us like you've not seen us before?
I was just passing by.
Love is greater than words because he's blind. I fall in love for real because it's my child. I don't wanna know what the people are saying. Don't wanna know. I don't wanna care. All I want is love. Love goes straight to my heart. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. I wanna go straight to my heart. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. I wanna go straight to my love. Papa when he went, Papa when he went.
What is going on with my sister? Eh? Is it that this boy used charm on her or something? 1 minute, she will end the relationship with her mouth. Another minute, she's all over him again. What is going on? Why is my sister so shameless? God. Why can't she stick to her word in ending this relationship? Eh? With this village fighter? Why? No. I think I need to comfort her. I need to comfort her. I know what is happening. I need to comfort her. Sister.
What is it?
Why is it that you can't stick to your words for just a minute, as in just once? Why?
What is the meaning of this?
Stop pretending. Stop pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Normally, if it's about Okechukwu, my man, stop.
Sister, not again. Can you boldly come out and say that Okechukwu is your man? Can you come out? That village tout, that village fighter, who doesn't know him? Someone who fights about at any given time and opportunity. Sister, no now, why? Oh.
You don't understand love till you fall in love.
Is that one love? Did you call that one love? If that one is love, I will not love. See me, cha, I won't love. Is he responsible?
Okay, Chuku is not irresponsible.
He's not only irresponsible. You tell me, sister, what is he? Someone who fights like a fowl everywhere. He's a disgrace to his mother.
Are you okay? How dare you stand before me insulting my man? Shut up! You now, idiot! You can't be a...
Love is greater than words because he's blind. I fall in love for real because it's my child. I don't wanna know what the people are saying. Don't wanna know. I don't wanna care. All I want is love. Love goes straight to my heart.
My friend, what is it?
I'm sorry, bro. It's not intentional.
Is it that this road is not big enough for you to pass than pushing me?
I'm sorry.
Or you just want to know what I will do?
I'm sorry, it was not
Can you
intentional.
imagine?
Baby, it's okay, let's go.
But I just said I'm sorry. And you're here still ranting like a woman. What is it?
You forget.
Baby, he doesn't mean it. He doesn't mean it.
You see how he's talking?
What nonsense?
Come on, come on! You hit me! You hit me!
I've been very bad in this village.
You want to try me?
Today will be your end.
You want to try me?
Today will be your end.
You want to try me, eh?
Come,
try me.
Come.
You want to try me?
Come.
Hey!
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 Me!
Try me.
Me!
Hey! You want to try me? What is it?
Come. Why are you running? Come.
Hey!
Come, let me see you. Come. I've been hearing about you in this village. Today will be your end. Come. Come.
Okay, Chuku, you've embarrassed me enough. Fighting always. You couldn't even look at my face. No respect whatsoever. You didn't even respect the woman you want to marry. Fighting always. Fighting. I can't take this anymore. Oh, not again. I'm tired. I cannot take this again, okay, Chuku? It's over.
Uju, baby. Hey! I don't like the way his elder brother is disturbing him. Makes me not see him every time I want. Uju! Makes me not see him all. I know you.
Onny, thank God you are here. You people should come and see what my eyes have seen now. What is it? Your sister's boyfriend is fighting with one guy like that. If you see the way the guy was behaving like a man, he just pulled off his shirt please, you people should come and see. Let's go.
Okay, Chuku. Is he the only boy in this village? Every time fighting up and down. What is it with this boy? What?
Onny, please come. Let's go and watch. Go where? We are not going with you. We are not going. You should come and say things for yourself.
Isn't not his usual way? What is there to go and see? We are tired of seeing him fighting up and down the village. We are tired of seeing him fighting.
My sister needs to hear this particular one now. It's too much. She needs to know about this. Let's go, let's see now.
Please, make my hair, make my hair.
We are not going. Come can't go with you.
We don't want to go and see
if you want to go alone.
We are tired of
seeing you. Say, let me finish your hair and rush home. Hey, sister. Hey. Have you heard? Sister, why are you crying now?
It's okay, Chico. You're fighting.
Exactly what I want to tell you about now. Have you heard? The latest, the new one in town, he has even done worse this time around there. Hey! You don't even know what he did though. You don't even want to hear what he did. Eh? Oh God, this boy.
I was with that idiot too. I was with him. I begged him. I begged no Kechiko not to fight. Little thing every other man will see and overlook. No Kechiko want to fight. You want to fight, embarrassing me everywhere in this village. I'm tired.
Sister. So Ikechukwu is now an idiot? Eh? You're a responsible lover. The love of your life, sister. Eh? The love of your life. Hey.
Angry. Please, I am not in the mood for this right now. I'm not in the mood for jokes. Leave this place, officer. Sister,
I'm serious.
Get out!
Hey!
Idiot. I don't blame you. You are the cause of all this. You are the cause of all this embarrassment. The insult I'm getting in this village is because of you, Kechiko. I am done. I am tired. I cannot take this again.
What is my crime? Give me can commit. Am I wrong? Gimme come, is it the right one to fall in love? Why always me?
Don't you in your wildest dream come close to this house, you shameless idiot.
I am sorry. Please forgive me.
Forgive you? Are you not tired of disgracing me in this village? Are you not?
I'm sorry.
Who said you go? I hope he doesn't succeed in deceiving my sister this time around though.
Please listen to me. Please forgive me. Okay?
Oh, wow. Hi. This my sister. This minute he's a fool. And the next minute they are in love again. Eh? She's all over him again. I know you will still deceive her with his sweet talks and she will still fall for it again. Eh? Foolish people. Shameless people. Wow.
Please stop calling me baby. I am not your baby. I cannot be a baby to a shameless fighter. Eh? To a public fighter. You always fighting in the street. Someone that fights almost everywhere. Any minute, anytime, anywhere. Without shame. There's nothing to cover up for anymore. Everybody in this village now know how worthless you are. That you're ready to fight anytime.
Yes, she's sounding more serious now. Yes, I like this. Let me go and put the hot water on fire.
Please stop calling me baby. I am not your baby. And I cannot marry a man like you.
I'm sorry.
Please, don't come close to me. I swear with my late parents' grave. If you come more close to me, I'll pour you hot water.
Baby, Biko, no.
Sister!
Anole, boil me some water.
I've already done that.
Angole.
Eh? What did you just say? Did I just hear my name in your lips? See, don't ever in your life try that again, no. Eh? Who doesn't know you in this village? You a village fighter. You fight anywhere, anytime. See, you want to be my brother-in-law. Try it. Don't worry. Wait here. Don't worry. Sister.
Hey, is this still there?
Oh yeah. No, stand here.
No, come.
Come.
Are you running?
Come. Are you running? No, now. Don't come and marry. Sorry. Oh! I'm happy. I'm very happy that you stood your ground this time around. Eh? I'm so proud of you.
I love this girl, but I don't know why I keep hurting her. I pray she forgives me this time. I know what to do. I will give her some time, like 2 days. Her anger will subside, and she will forgive me.
What is wrong with me? If Ukichukwu comes back begging me to forgive him, I don't think I can stand him. What is that?
I beg you with the name of God. You don't have to say that.
That is the truth.
What truth are you talking about? Eh? How can you get married to a public nuisance? Eh? Someone who fights and end at any given opportunity or time. Yes, sister. You are a decent girl from a decent home.
You're right, Anole. I can't marry him.
Yes. You should go and look for girls at the same category with him. Shameless girls like him. Eh? You are a decent girl from a decent family.
Oh. So tell me now, how do I avoid him?
Yes, you are not talking now, sister. If you ask me, I'll tell you to travel far away from this community, from this village, so that he won't be able to get access to you anymore.
Travel and leave you for who? I can't leave this village for... How do I cope?
Sister, you don't have to bother about me. I'm a survivor. I can always cope and survive in any situation I find myself. So,
are you sure?
I'm sure, sister. Sister, don't worry. I'll miss you.
I miss you already. Let me go to Auntie Chika's house in Aban, stay for 1 month. At least by that 1 month, he will be able to forget me.
Yes, sister. I think he will be able to forget about you after looking for you, at least a month without seeing you. I think he's going to forget about you. Don't worry.
But are you sure he will forget about me?
Sister, if he doesn't forget about you in 1 month, we'll extend it to 2 months. If he doesn't still forget about you, we'll extend it to any time he finally forgets about you. Don't worry.
Anyways, you're right. And me too. I will be able to forget about him completely.
Yes. I'm going to miss you, sister.
I'm missing you already. Don't forget to call me when you need anything, okay?
Of course, I will.
All right. Let me go, okay?
Safe trip, eh?
I'll be calling you.
Go on.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
Take care of the house. Don't look for trouble. You know your mouth is very, very sharp.
Sister.
Don't look for trouble. Unless they will kill you. I'm not around though.
Sister, don't worry. I'll take care of myself, eh?
Alright.
Bye-bye. Alright, sister.
Machi. Machi.
Yes?
Only. Call Machi for me.
She's not around.
Only, see, I am very serious. I'm not joking. Help me call Machi.
She's not at home. Does it look like I'm joking?
Where did she go to?
She traveled to Aba. She doesn't want to stay in this village anymore.
Angoli, why are you lying? Eh? Why are you lying?
Ha! Okay, now I'm lying, Abi. Go inside and see for yourself. Go and check now. I was actually doing something when you came, so I want to go inside.
She went to Aba. How? My God. What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? Oh God. Okay.
Hello, Kichuku.
Hello?
Please, just leave me alone. As I am talking to you right now, I'm on my way going to Aba. I cannot continue with a man like you. I cannot. I can't marry a shameless man like you. A worthless man. Everybody in this village has known your worth. You shamelessly fight everywhere. Okay, Chiku, please, just leave me alone. Leave me. I cannot marry someone like you. Okay? Please, if I call this call right now, I will just remove my SIM card. And my new SIM card, it's only my sister that has it. And you know she hates you so much that she cannot even think of giving you my new SIM card. Please, okay, Chiku, please don't beg me for any reason. I've given you so many chances to change. But no, you won't. You keep being stupid. Please, don't call me again. You won't get in touch with me again.
Hello, Machi. Hey, this kid don't cut my call, oh. What kind of nonsense is this now? Eh? Hey, hey, this guy has got the call on me, oh. What kind of nonsense is this now? Eh? Why is switched off? It's switched off. Oh, Machi, please don't do this to me now. Anguli. Oh, Anguli.
Hey. What is it?
Anguli, please. Anytime you reach your sister, please help me talk to her. Tell her that I'm a changed person. I've stopped fighting. Yes, I will not fight again.
You've told her 1,000 times and you failed.
I'm not going to fail this time. I swear. Bikono.
There's no need for you swearing, okay? A pig will always remain a pig, anytime, any day. Ha!
Angoli, see, if I fail this time around, tell her not to talk to me anymore. Oh?
It's already too late.
Angoli. What is this? What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself?
If it was possible for a girl to change my life this way, why couldn't Machi change me? She tried all she could, but all to no avail.
Hey, what is it? What is it? Who are you?
What happened? Igwe has sent us to get him.
What did he do?
What did I do?
My friend entered this car.
For what? I am not going anywhere with you.
My friend, I will find you. Find me.
Find you. I'm coming with you.
For what?
Don't worry.
Hey, come on, stop it. Come on, stop it. Stop it.
Now follow him.
Only the Igwe. We answered that question. So now move it now.
Nah, it is Igwe. He won't move it.
See. Leave me alone.
Your Majesty, Bikonam. Ayo kanjirija. Kwa debe kudike bikono.
Woman, you are making it appear as if I hate you or your son. No, I do not hate any of you. I am only helping you to reform him. By the time he comes back to you, you will notice reasonable change in his life. It's a promise.
Your Majesty, me too, I want him to be a changed person. I
have told you to go home. He will come back to you a better person. You will notice it.
Your Majesty, don't be angry. I just want to know the kind of punishment you will give to him and whether he's in safe hands.
God, I have just told you to go home and relax. He will be fine. You can be rest assured that he is in the safest hand.
I don't know what else to do. But Your Majesty, when will he be coming back? Today?
Not today.
Okay, tomorrow.
Not even tomorrow.
Ha!
He will be with us here for 3 days, and by the time he comes back to you, you will notice changes in his life. I am done with you. Hello? Sorry, I'm not
What have I done? What have I done to deserve this kind of punishment? Am I a slave? I am not a slave. I am a freeborn of this kingdom. Why am I being treated like this? Why? 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 What have I done? Oh my God. What have I done? What is this? Am I a slave? I am not a...
Who are you? What are you doing here?
My name is Okechukwu, the only son of Oku, the famous wine tapper.
How are you doing here in chains?
I want to know. I want to know some vigilante men came with boys and arrested me, saying that the king has asked them to come and arrest me.
My father asked them to arrest you?
Yes.
And put you in chains?
Yes.
Your Majesty, I was on my way to see you. Did you ask your men to arrest the boy outside?
Oh, yes, I did.
In other words, you did give them an instruction to met out that terrible treatment on him?
Of course I did.
Father, what did he do? I mean, no matter the crime he committed, he deserves something lenient. I mean, he deserves to be treated like a human being. I demand you give him another punishment.
And I suggest you look elsewhere to do your dance practice if seeing him is disgusting to you.
This is not about me. It's about you treating another human being as if he is less than human, as if he's nothing.
There is a reason I did what I did. I want him a reformed and a better subject. My father did it. My forefathers did it and yielded the results. So allow me with the boy.
Times have changed. People have become civilized. Treating him that way is making him feel less than human. It's not nice. All I demand is that you give him another punishment. Certainly, there are other punishments that will make him learn from his bad.
I've heard you. Can you allow me to have a fresh air?
It's the 21st century. People know better. Please let him go.
I've heard you.
Yes, where are you? Please do meet me at my usual restaurant. It's very urgent and important. 30 minutes. Alright, I'll wait for you. Precious, I don't get it. Where did I go wrong? Why does your friend hate me so much? Why?
Wait a minute, I want to understand. You mean you proposed to her and she said no?
Yes, I did. Look, with this. I proposed to her and she said she needed more time. I mean, why does she need more time? Why? Tell me. Haven't I been patient enough with her? Haven't I? So what is the problem?
Just calm down, okay? Calm down. I'm going to talk it over with her. Just calm down. I will.
Precious, you need to talk to her. You need to talk to her. I don't know if it's something I did. Listen, I am willing to repent of the act. Tell her I am ready to apologize. Okay? I can't imagine life without her. I love her so much. I want her to be my wife. Please. Okay? Please.
Don't worry. I promise I'll talk to her. Just calm down, okay? I don't just like your mood. Calm down.
Okay. I'll try to calm down. I'll try to calm down.
Better.